Hi guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to show how easily you can restore your foggy car headlights. You can see how badly these need to be cleaned. Okay, you're gonna need this mother's matte and aluminum polish. This will make the whole process very easy for you. I ordered mine from Amazon for just about £8 with the free shipping. Anyway, all you have to do is apply some onto the headlight, as I'm doing it here. I will leave the bend here on the right side so we can compare in the end before and after. Okay, and now just need to buff it with the machine if you have, because fast circular motions with the hand can be very tiring. Okay, as you can see, it definitely works if you compare it to the right side here. And yeah, the result is quite good. Looking very much cleaner and clearer, and took me just under 5 minutes to do one headlight. Alright, that's it. Just wanted to show this method and hope it will be helpful for someone. If yes, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and bye bye.